Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. Every programming language offers variety of data types to handle, manage and process the data in a program. And we know that Python is a versatile language that offers following inbuilt data type: numbers, string, list, tuple and dictionary. So in this lecture we will discuss about list, which is one of the important data type in Python. So what is list? List is a standard mutable data type which is used to store the sequence of values belonging to any data type, and those values are ordered and changeable. Changeable, why? Because the list is a mutable data type and mutable is discussed in the previous lecture. Now, how to create the list? The list is created by simply using the square bracket. So let's see the demonstration of list and operations of list.
To create a list, square bracket is used. For example, L equal to square bracket and 1, 2, AB, 3.5. So it can handle all type of data type in a single list. Then we use print function for printing the list as print then L. So it will display the result of the list. Now if we want to access individual element, then it is accessed by indexing of the element. We can use forward indexing or backward indexing. For example, print L and of 2, then it will print the value AB of the indexing 2. Now if we want to access the element, multiple elements within a range, or we want to use slicing, then we use the list name, then square bracket, and in a square bracket we use starting index colon ending index. For example, L of 1 colon 3, then it will print the value from 1 to second element. The item in position 3 is not included. Now if we want to replace an item, we know that list is a mutable data type, so we can change the values. For example, if we want to change the fourth element, then we will use L of 3 equal to 20. So it will replace the 3.5 value by 20. So when we print the value of L, then it will print 1, 2, AB and 20. Now we use loop for accessing all the elements. For example, we use for loop. So we will write for x in any list name. Then we will print the value of x. So it will print all the values of the list. Now we can find the length of any list by using the len function. So it will display the result as how many items a list has. Then we can also use the membership operator on list if we want to check whether the element is present in a list or not. For example, if this element is present in L1, if present, then it will print yes. Then we can also use the concatenation and replication on the list. For example, concatenation is used to add one list to the end of another list. For example, L1 is 1, 2, AC and 5, and L2 is 3 and 5. Then we will print L1 plus L2. Then it will add the L2 list after the L1 list. So the result will be 1, 2, AC, 5, 3 and 5. Now we use the replication, means how many times the list will be repeated. For example, 2 into list name. Then it will print the list L1 2 times. So this is the result. Now we can create nested list also. Nested means a list can have an element in it which itself is a list. For example, L3 equal to 1, 2, 4, 5 as itself list, 6. Then we will print the L3 list. Then it will display the result like this. So these are the basic operations on list. Now this is the short notes on the list. Thank you.